This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix tire pressure sensor fault Ford F150 only way. Start by reading the fault code and confirming the affected wheel, then check tire pressures and visually inspect sensors for damage. Next, verify valve cores and sensor batteries and use a TPMS tool to read sensor ID. If a sensor is dead, replace it with a compatible unit and relearn the sensor to the truck. In this video, I will show how to fix tire pressure sensor fault Ford F150 only way. Begin by retrieving the TPMS code and confirming which wheel reports the issue, then check tire pressure and look for slow leaks. Remove the tire valve cap and test the valve core and inspect the sensor for physical damage. Record sensor ID with a TPMS tool to confirm communication before attempting a relearn. In this video, I will show how to fix tire pressure sensor fault Ford F150 only way. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for tunes while you work or to set handy reminder timers during repairs. It pairs well with garage projects and keeps both hands free for tools. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fix tire pressure sensor fault Ford F150 only way. After diagnosing, repair leaks, tighten or replace valve cores, and fit a new sensor if the battery is dead. Use a TPMS activation tool or follow the Ford relearn steps in the truck to sync each sensor to its wheel position. Test drive to confirm the fault clears and the dash shows normal tire pressures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.